Hello, this is Russell with Bdrm Property Management, and today we're here at our listing at 8708 East Portobello. This is in East Mesa. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, a little over 1,800 square feet. You gotta come take a look, come check it out. Well, this concludes a tour of our Portobello property in the surrounding area. For more information, to schedule a tour or to apply, visit us online at zenrentpm.com or give us a call at 855-ZENRENT, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you.